Happy morning, students. So today we proceed with worksheet. So this I chosen from the chapter 3 human reproduction. You feel very difficult to write long answer, but my point is it's easy to write a long answer instead of writing 2 or 3 marks. Why? Because in long answer section E, the questions will be directed or twisted, but there will be a clear topic on what you're going to proceed. In 2 mark or 3 mark is not like that. You should analyze the question twice and you should remember the topic from which chapter it can be asked. So all the 16 chapters you should keep on your fingertips. So let us discuss few questions in human reproduction. Be focused. So this will be the frequently asked question in your exams. So first question, fill in the mixing boxes exhibiting the route of sperm transport. Here they given seminiferous tubule, rete testis, blank, epididymis, blank and urethra. So you should analyze this question, and this question is from chapter 3 and from the male reproductive system. So you should write. So this will be the sperm transport tract. So seminiferous tubule, rete testis, and next one will be what? Vasa efferentia. And next it leads to epididymis, and next vas deferens, and this lead to the urethra. So vas deferens lead to urethra. So next question, fill up the missing data in the table where column A shows female reproductive organ and column B shows its respective function. So column A and column B. So here they given the organ, here they given the function. You have to write the thing. Missed box. Ovaries, ovulation. Oviducts, yes, the answer will be fertilization. And here they given the function is pregnancy. What will be the organ? Yes, uterus. And vagina, birth. Third question, fill in the mixing boxes for the levels in the transformation of mother germ cells into a mature follicle. So mother germ cell into mature follicle, here you should analyze. This question is asked in the process oogenesis. So here is oogonia, blank primary follicle, blank and mature or Graafian follicle. Now you proceed with the thing. So oogonia leads to what? Primary oocytes. This lead to primary follicle, and this primary follicle lead to secondary follicle, and this lead to antrum and mature or Graafian follicle. Fourth question, mention the names of the hormone responsible for ovarian changes during the menstrual cycle in the boxes provided. So here the box provided, right? So here what happened? The hormonal which is responsible for ovarian changes. So these are the ovarian changes. So what in all the hormones which is involved in this changes? So the primary follicle to the Graafian follicle. So here what hormone will be responsible? So primary follicle to Graafian follicle, the hormone will be FSH, follicular stimulating hormone. And next step, Graafian follicle to ova. Ova is otherwise called as ovum or egg, right? So Graafian follicle to ovum, the hormone is what? Luteinizing hormone, LH. And next step, ova to the corpus luteum. So progesterone. Next question. Fifth question, with the help of a neat label diagram of the female reproductive system, deposit the following site. So they given the site like production of gamete, site of fertilization, site of implantation, birth canal, and they given the diagram. So now production of gamete. So production of gamete where? In the ovary. So this will be the site A. So you should write production of gamete here, okay? And next, site of fertilization. So fertilization process taken place in fallopian tube, B. Site of implantation. So site of implantation is taken in uterus. And birth canal, here the birth canal include cervix, hands, vagina. So these both are called birth canal. So A taken place in ovary, B taken place in oviduct, and C in uterus, and D cervix and vagina. Cervix canal. Cervix or cervical canal. So this will be a question number 6. Column A contains terms and column B contains definition. So match them correctly and choose the right answer. So here they given the term, here they given the definition. So parturition, gestation, ovulation, implantation. In column B they given attachment of zygote to endometrium, release of egg from Graafian follicle, delivery of baby from uterus, duration between pregnancy and birth. So parturition, delivery of baby from uterus. Gestation, duration between pregnancy and birth. Ovulation, release of egg from the Graafian follicle. Implantation, attachment of zygote to endometrium.